We have Happy Meal. Now, we haven't had any Happy Meal over Christmas and New Year. And I got this one, and I've got another couple. I've got a box as well, and I'll do that in on another day, just a day or so. So it is the evening. It's nice and warm in here because it's snowing outside. So I'm going to open up this Happy Meal, and Muttley has been eyeing this up all day. The strange way this was delivered. It's amazing the way some of the Happy Meal comes all packaged up. It's amazing. Now I don't know where to start with this one. We will just carefully, I think, I'll keep my scissors up. Now, my scissors are a little bit blunt because I know sometimes when it gets packaged like this, I don't want to cut through any of the wool or the yarn. And Muttley's down at the bottom there, waiting to get this bag. He's been after this all day. I've been a little bit busy today. So, oh, there's another bag in here, as you can see. So we'll open this one up. And so been a little bit excited with this. This is from Lisa. Her name is Lisa Woodward, and thank you so much for this, Lisa. Thank you so much. And this is right about the time when everyone actually starts doing destashes. You're making way for the yarn sales and the wool sales. So you're getting rid of the stuff that you haven't used for a long time and you don't think you'll use it. Then I'll leave my email address at the end of the video. And then if you're doing a destash, you can contact me and send me what you don't need because I've got a lot of outlets as normal, as you know, and I'm always crocheting, a crochet for charity and that kind of thing as well. Oh, this is just tied, so I can pop that up there and we'll untie this. Oh, this is pretty. Right, I'll give this one to Muttley because he's dancing around there. Right, come on then. There you go. There you go, find your ball. You got a new ball from Santa. Oh, look at this. Sirdar Snuggly. This is so soft. Oh, I've not a squish at a ball of yarn for a while in a Happy Meal. This is so soft. This is Sirdar Snuggly. It's a 50-gram ball this one time. I'll move this off to the side. Oops. Oh, there's another one. There's another one of that Snuggly. This is a 4-ply and it's made by Sirdar. Oh, it smells lovely. It smells lovely. It's a 50-gram ball. How much is in the 50 grams? My eyesight, I need to get my eyes tested again. 256 metres. That's 247 yards. And it's 50 grams. Now in the UK we go by the grams. A lot of other people go by the length, by the yardage in the ball. But we go by gram. That is so pretty. Look how that's, I'll pop that there. That's, oh, look at this. A little mix of lots of different, oh, that's pretty. Now this one, there's no colour on it. It's a shade number 0212 and this is Sirdar Snuggly as well. This is pretty. The number on, the shade on this is 0441. That's so pretty, it's nice and squishy and it's a 4-ply double, it's not double knitting, it's 4-ply, but it's like a double knitting. It's like a double knitting. That's so squishy. It's lovely. I'll pop that there as well. There's quite a bit in this bag. I might have to put it down on my basket. I'll put it down in my basket. I got my basket from upstairs again. Oh, this is nice. Red Heart Lisa. There's 50 grams in this. I wish you could feel how soft this is. I love Red Heart yarn. My favourite yarn. That and Karen Simply Soft. Now this is a colour. There's no colour. It's 00199. And it's a beautiful blue. I think it goes under teal, that one. There's quite a lot of this Red Heart. Look at that. And don't worry if the balls are a bit squashed or the labels are a bit squashed. That doesn't matter. Now, usually with the Red Heart, you get a pattern in the label. There's no pattern in that, but you can go online. If you go online to Red Heart's website, they do lots of free patterns. That's really pretty. Now there's two of those. I'll pop those there. Then we've got, oh, more. We've got two purple. That's pretty. Look at the colours of that. Look at that. That's so pretty. It's nice and soft. I think this blue one's a little bit thicker, even though it's the same. It says Red Heart Lisa. It actually looks a little shade thicker. It's pretty. It's so pretty. Squishy, squishy. There's a pink. Now the pink, the colour is 00206 for the pink. This lilac is 05691. And I think the yardage is going to be about 225 again. Oh, it's jumping out the bag at me. Look at that. Oh, look at the colour of that one. That's so pretty. It doesn't tell you what it is. 100% acrylic. Oh, 133 metres. There's can't see it for looking at it. There's 133 metres. I'll pop that there. And there's this really pretty lemon. Look at that. So, oh, I love the smell of yarn. I love the smell of it. Now this colour is 00184. And there's another yellow one. Oh, there's lots of Red Heart in here. Look at that, so pretty. There's two of each one, I think. Oh, there's another pink one. That's a different pink. The other one's a different yarn. I'll pop that there. And oh, look at this one. This is really nice. It is really, really pretty. This one, the colour is 05690. And it's your 133 metres again. That's a 50 gram. It's got double knitting on this one. That's so pretty. I'll pop that there. And there's another one. It's 50 grams. That makes 100. Now, even 50 grams makes like a kiddie size hat. Like a small hat for a small child. And if you've got, oh, there's two. Then that gives you a hat for a big person. That's lovely. That's so pretty. What's this one? It's still Red Heart Lisa, but look at that. The colour in that's pretty. It's so soft and squishy. The colour in this is 05661. I made a lot of new friends the other day. When I was looking around on YouTube, and I've subscribed to a lady. Her name is Ursula, and she stays in South Africa, and her channel's called Oh My Granny Square. OM as in OMG, like oh my god, but it's Oh My Granny Square. But anyway, she's a lovely lady, and she did a live show, and I was talking to a lot of people that were on there, and it was absolutely amazing. It was amazing speaking to people live, and I was just sitting there on YouTube, and I was just chatting away to these sitting trying to type as quick as I could. It's not so easy when when your hands are tired, and my thumb's quite swollen today. Look at that. With the crochet, it goes away, but it's kind of looking sort of peely wally, as we call it in Scotland, like peely wally, a little bit pale. It's really hot as well. But anyway, back to the yarn. This is Red Heart Lisa. Now the colour on this, now I have saw this on Lovecrafts. You can get this on Lovecrafts. It's the number on here is 05661. Wouldn't that make a pretty scarf or gloves? I'll need to knit some gloves because it is winter time. It's winter time and Mother's Day is coming up, so I need to get some Mother's Day ideas as well. So if you've got any ideas for any of this yarn that I could make, then just leave a comment down in the comment box. So there's 3 of these, so that's 150 grams of that. And I hope you all saw my video of the neck warmer that I did with the crocodile stitch. That's really pretty if you're looking for something to make as a gift for Mother's Day. You can make it lighter. It'll still be chilly when it's Mother's Day in the UK. Oh, look at these we've got. There's 2 of these pink ones. We'll take these out. Oh, so we've got 4 of those. There's 2 there. That's so lovely. I really appreciate you sending this to me. I really do. I really appreciate it. This is a 50-gram ball as well. I'll put that there because the number, I'll tell you the number again. The number of this one is 05690. So pretty. I really like that. That's so pretty. What I've just realised is, this is Red Heart Lisa. And it was the lady that sent it was called Lisa. Such a coincidence. Or do you like to do that? If I saw yarn it was called Alison, I would buy it as well. That's so pretty. Look at that. Those together. Look at those together. It's got different colours in it. So soft as well. This is lovely, Lisa. Thank you so much. The number on this one is 05680 for that. And now I understand what you mean about the pun. When you sent me the email, you said the pun about your name, and now I've just realised what it is. It's Lisa. And there's 2 more, and that's the bag empty. Muttley can get the bag. I'll keep them in there. Thank you so much, Lisa. Quite a sort of a short and sweet happy meal. But if you, because it's Christmas and I've been after Christmas and New Year, if you're doing a clear out, once again, we're on lockdown again. So if you're looking for something to do and you decide to have a yarn clear out to make way for all the new stuff that you're going to buy in the sales, then I'll leave my email in the next little section that comes along, and just send me a little email and we'll work something out for any of your de-stash that you don't want to send to me, and then we can do a happy meal with it. So once again, thank you, and I want to wish you all a happy new year as well, all the people who watch all the happy meals, and a big thank you to all the people last year who sent happy meals, and thank you to Lisa for this very first one. And look at this, it's even got her name on them. So thank you very much. Now please remember to subscribe to my channel. Help me get up to 200,000 subscribers. And you do not make any money whatsoever from subscribers. Your subscribers give you moral support, and it's great to have them. And if you click on the bell icon as well, YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So thank you so much to Lisa, and this is absolutely amazing, and my head's buzzing already with things to make with this. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.